The Department of Justice facing new questions today after the ousting of the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, a hugely powerful position. The SDNY, as it's called, played a critical role in the impeachment investigations and, as we always say, is in effect the Justice Department Manhattan Bureau. Geoffrey Berman resigned after a tense public back and forth with Attorney General Bill Barr. Berman was reportedly investigating some of President Trump's closest allies, including his personal lawyer, Rudy Giuliani. On Friday, Barr announced Berman's exit in a press release, which was news to the U.S. Attorney. Berman refused to step down on Friday evening, while we were on the air, in fact, indicating he would continue to serve until the Senate confirms his successor. Back on Saturday, Barr fired back, claiming that the order came straight from the top, straight from President Trump. Minutes later, the president distanced himself from the ordeal, contradicting Barr and claiming he had no involvement in Berman's firing and that the decision was up to the AG. Despite the mixed messages, by 6:00 p.m. Eastern Time Saturday, Berman agreed to resign. He suggested he gave up the fight after Barr acknowledged Berman's deputy, Audrey Strauss, would take over. Strauss is popular within the SDNY staff. Berman's firing set off a fresh wave of criticism that Barr has politicized the DOJ and acted more as a personal lawyer to his boss, the president. Just this afternoon, we are learning more about underlying tensions between Barr and Berman. According to the Wall Street Journal, the day before he was fired, Berman refused to sign a letter criticizing the mayor of New York, Bill de Blasio, for enforcing social distancing rules to block religious gatherings, but not the recent national protests in the streets. The report goes on to read, quote, two people familiar with the matter said Mr. Berman's refusal aggravated Mr. Barr, who already viewed Mr. Berman as obstinate and difficult to work with. For more on the firing of Geoffrey Berman, we turn to one of the best people to talk to in these matters, Chuck Rosenberg, who himself served as U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, as well as the Southern District of Texas, during a career with DOJ that spanned more than 2 decades. Thankfully, now he is an MSNBC legal analyst and the host of our podcast called The Oath. So, Chuck, as a U.S. Attorney, how much autonomy did you feel you had? How often were you checking in with the Home Office? It's another way of asking you, how not normal is this story out of New York?
This story out of New York is not normal. I was very fortunate. I had adult leadership, Brian. I had tremendous autonomy. There are times, of course, when I want to consult with headquarters. There are times when I have to consult with headquarters. But never once, Brian, never once did headquarters interfere in our work. And so what you're seeing out of New York is both unusual and deeply troubling.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.